He's on fire!
Let's go! There's so much fire!
Fire, a bomb just went off! Be careful!
No!
Oh, whoa, that is burning!
Go, Byron, go! It's under the boat, it's under the boat, it's under the boat!
Ricochet! Oh, there's still more! That is the fridge he put his money inside of.
All right, slowly bring her down!
Moment of truth.
It worked!
Yeah! Money didn't burn!
The money's saved! Let's go! Oh my God!
Congrats on winning $384,000!
$384 grand, we did it! This is going to change so much for us, Jimmy. I'm gonna buy a tractor for the ranch.